Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back to Allo French. In this season, we learned many important things in French. The alphabet, vowels, numbers, weekdays, colors, seasons, and months. Now, let's review everything together. Our friends will help us, so listen carefully and repeat. Let's start with the alphabet. Please repeat after Gary.
Hello, everyone. My name is Gary. I want to learn French with you. Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now the vowels. Please repeat after Zoe.
Bonjour. I'm Zoe. Let's learn the French vowels together. In French, we call them les voyelles, and they are A, E, I, O, U, Y. Let's practice. Please repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U, Y. A, chat. E, cheval. I, souris. O, robot. U, salut. I, yo-yo. Great job. Now let's review the words together. Chat, cheval, souris, robot, salut, yo-yo. Very good.
Now let's count in French. Please repeat after Leo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's review the days of the week. Please repeat after Lena.
Salut. Moi, c'est Léna. Let's practice weekdays together. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche.
Now, the colors. Please repeat after me. Rouge, jaune, bleu, vert, orange, violet, rose, noir, blanc, gris, marron, beige. Let's review the seasons and the months. Please repeat after T2.
L'hiver, le printemps, l'été, l'automne.
Now, the months. Please repeat after Zoe.
Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre.
Amazing work! You have completed Season 1 of Allo French. You learned the alphabet, vowels, numbers, weekdays, colors, seasons, and months. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak French with confidence. À bientôt on Allo French.